Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve into the latest tech to give you the lowdown on what's hot and what's not. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Acer Predator Connect W6 router. Let's see if this gaming-centric router lives up to the hype. Hey, everyone! Today, we're tackling the Acer Predator Connect W6 router, a device that promises top-notch performance and gamer-friendly features. But does it deliver? Let's find out. The Acer Predator Connect W6 is a tri-band Wi-Fi 6E router with a design that screams gaming. With its matte black finish, pulsing RGB LED, and aggressive aesthetic, it's certainly eye-catching. But does its performance match its looks? Setting up the Acer Predator Connect W6 is a breeze. Straight out of the box, the network is immediately available, and logging into the admin panel is a cinch. Whether you prefer using a web browser or the Predator Connect app, the setup process is quick and painless. The admin interface is sleek and responsive, offering a range of features like quality of service, parental controls, and built-in Trend Micro antivirus. Plus, the mobile app provides easy access to essential settings, making it convenient for on-the-go adjustments. But let's talk performance. While the Predator Connect W6 shines at short distances with minimal network congestion, it struggles when put to the test in larger homes or busy networks. Despite its tri-band capabilities, we found that it fell short compared to other routers in similar price ranges. In our tests, we observed solid speeds in near uncongested scenarios, but performance dipped significantly in far and congested situations. While latency remained low and reliability was generally good, the overall performance left something to be desired. So, what's the bottom line? However, its performance may not live up to expectations, especially in larger homes or busy networks. That wraps up our review of the Acer Predator Connect W6 router. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth tech reviews. Until next time, stay connected.